This is the Swish card game from ThinkFun, and this is a really fun and clever game. So you play it with multiple players, and you're going to lay down a bunch of cards, 6 by 6, so I guess 36 cards. And essentially what you're looking to do is find two cards that, when laid on top of each other, are going to put the ball and the dot. These happen to be color coordinated, but they don't need to be. But your dot and your circles, you're going to line them up. So it's kind of like Dominoes, and it's kind of like a matching game. However, you're going to be able to take more than two cards and line these up with another set of cards that might be able to create a 3-card swish. So this is going to be more points. It took 1, 2, 3 cards to get these 3 circles and 3 dots, where that other one only had 2 cards. So it's a fun game. You're going to line things up. You think spatially, and it's sort of a puzzle, kind of a brain teaser, and it's under the clock, and it's just a lot of fun from the people at ThinkFun.